Class 6th, Lesson 2nd, Subject Computer, Electronic Mail. Electronic mail, email or e/mail, is a method of exchanging messages, mail between people using electronic device. Email entered limited use in the 1960s, but users could only send to users of the same computer, and same early emails system required the author and the receptionist to both be online. Similarly to instant messaging, Ray Tomlinson is credited as the inventor of the emails. In 1971, he developed the first system able to send mail between users on different hosts across the ARPANET using the @sign to link the username with a destination server. By the mid 1970s, this was the form recognized as email. Email operator across computer network, primarily the internet. Today's email system are based on a store and forward model. Email servers accept, forward, deliver, and store messages. Neither the users nor their computers are required to be online simultaneously. They need to connect, typically to a mail server or a webmail interface, to send or receive message or download it. Originally an ASCII text only communications media, Internet email was extended by multipurpose Internet Mail Extension (MIME) to carry text in other character sets and multimedia connect attachments. International email with internationalized email addresses using UTF-8 is standardized but not widely adopted. The history of the modern Internet email services reaches back to the early ARPANET, with standards for encoding email messages published as early as 1973, RFC 561, and email messages sent in the early 1970s is similarly to a basic email sent today. Okay, this is the definition of the email. Okay, now I read from the book. Feature of email. Email stands for electronic mail. Second one, email arrives in your inbox and you can reply to them or forward them to other people. Third one, emails can be sent to more than one person at a time. Fourth, you store detail of contacts in your address book. Fifth, connect group or distribution lists can be set up. Fifth, signatures and out of office replies are useful. Sixth, attachments are files sent with emails. These can be text, documents, graphic, photo, video, audio programs. 7. Security is disadvantage. Electronic mail services. Okay, read this. How to create an email account. To send and receive message on internet, you have to create an email account on any website. Let us study how to register for email ID in www.hotmail.com. To register in www.hotmail.com, follow the given steps. Read from the books, okay, these steps, and make new ID today. Everyone, watch this video and make one ID in Google Mail and Gmail, and otherwise Yahoo, anyone. Okay. A CAPTCHA is a test used in the process of using computer internet to ensure that the response in generate by a person. It consists of letter and digits in a distorted manner. You have to type the same letter and digit in the box. It prevents the misuse of email address by some other person. How to read an email? Options from the book. There are 3 options, okay? How to compose and send an email? To compose and send an email, follow the given step. Read the given step from the book and do and send any email, okay? Okay. There are 7 steps, okay? How to attach file with email? You can also insert any file or picture in your message. To do this, follow the given step. There are 4 steps, okay? You read from the book and try, okay? Attach the file. How to reply to a message? You usually respond to an email message you receive. To respond to a message, you need not click the new button. Instead, just click the reply button. When you click the reply button, the message composition screen appear with the recipient's address already filed in. Write some message if you want to and click send button. Sign out, log out. After finishing your work, you should close your account by clicking sign out option. If you do not close your account, some other person can use it and read your email. Sign out is also called log out in some email programs. Fast communication, cheap attachments can be sent with the email, provides a written document, can be sent to many people at one time. Okay, I think you understand what is the means of email. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.